Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your document and going straight to Tools Citations. This is the only reliable method to build a works cited page in Google Docs. Choose the correct style, MLA, APA, or Chicago, because formatting differences matter. Next, click Add Citation Source and fill the form for each source type. Once done, save every source entry. This lets Docs track and later generate a bibliography automatically, so don't skip accurate author, title, and date details. Now you'll place citations as you write. Position the cursor, open the Citations pane, then select Insert Citation. This puts a parenthetical or superscript, depending on style. As you add more sources, edit any entry in the Citations pane to correct typos or missing fields. Accuracy here prevents messy bibliography output. Once you have several entries, check for duplicates and merge or delete extras. Clean source management ensures the bibliography lists each work once and in the proper order. Finish by placing the cursor where the work cited should go and choosing Insert Bibliography. Google Docs will compile all saved sources in the selected style. After insertion, make sure to apply a hanging indent and double space if the style requires it. These small edits ensure publisher-grade formatting. If the bibliography doesn't update after adding sources, delete the generated list and reinsert it. This forces Docs to refresh and is the key troubleshooting tip when entries don't appear or update correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.